Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I took a great website and it will be the vast plagiarism free content website for you. Today I will show you about all details about the software. Okay, so let me show you. And I took it is the best website ever, and it's one kind of the best powerful content for SEO friendly uh, software ever you can buy. And I think if you buy it, then you will get a lifetime deal and you will get a lot of facilities from the software. Here lifetime deal, here you can buy from my description link. Here I will give you link and just click my link and you can buy, you will get discount. Okay, so let me share about this software review. So if you need SEO friendly plagiarism free content with powerful AI tool, then this software its video, its name is Mieux.ai, Mieux.ai. Yeah, I mixed AI. Okay, so let me show you about all the details. If you want to generate long from blog posts, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads with the help of AI powered tools, then you must be needed. It's all related to Jasper. Okay, the best for marketing agencies, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to speed up their content creation. Okay, so and let me tell you the overview. Make.ai is a content generation and optimization tool that allows you to create SEO-friendly, plagiarism-free content in minutes. If you need SEO-friendly and plagiarism-free content, then this software is best for you. You can buy it because nowadays website is the most fabulous and most famous, most famous for the business, and as I say, all kinds of things for making money. So if you need any business or if you need any website for you making money, then you must be need this AI content, because AI content will help you to what for you within a short time, okay, within a minute. So let me share you another report or another overview. Mix and AI allows you to automatically generate high quality long-term blog posts with no one is using the power of AI, because you can produce effective long content in a fraction of the time. You will able to better control your sharp ranking. I think you know about the sharp ranking. If your website will be the sharp ranking, then there will be the more benefits on your website. So uh, you can see the another review. After generating a long from blog post with AI, also let's say creative content, so you know how will perform in the software. So get the content generated from apps based on keywords and topics. Most often used in similar content. So I can share with you another review. Discovering trending topics and keywords that offer great opportunities for you to rank higher on the SERPs. Though all your blog post keyword with the same tool you use to generate content. Okay, so this will be the best software for you, so you can buy it. I think it will be the best software for you. So if you need get lifetime access, go to my description here. You will get your link and you can buy with the discount. Okay. So if you need SEO friendly article, if you need plagiarism free article, if you want to rank your website within a month or within a week, or every post will be ranking on the SERP ranking on the Google. Because this software is just for you. You don't have to do anything. More will be the AI power. So I think you will buy and you will get enjoy. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video.